Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best food coloring gel is probably one of the most underrated tools in any baker's or home chef's arsenal. From vibrant cupcakes to intricately decorated cookies, the right food coloring gel can transform your creations from ordinary to extraordinary. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of food coloring gels, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Wilton Gel Food Coloring Variety Set, 12 count. This set includes 12 vibrant gel-based colors. They are perfect for frosting, fondant, dough, and cake decorating. It will bring your creations to life. The gel-based formula provides rich, vibrant shades. It won't alter the consistency of your frosting or batter. A little goes a long way with this product. Simply dab with a toothpick and mix to achieve your desired intensity. You can also blend the colors together to create unique shades. It's easy to customize. Whether you're decorating for birthdays or weddings, this product ensures professional quality results. The colors are long-lasting and will make your treats stand out. The set includes a spectrum of primary colors, plus teal, burgundy, black, brown, and copper. It offers everything you need to create beautiful decorations. This variety allows for endless possibilities. What we like. This set offers a wide spectrum of colors, perfect for any occasion. It's great for birthdays, weddings, or just adding a pop of color to your everyday treats. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with professional-grade results, you should consider this one. What people say. Concentrated. Doesn't dilute batter or icing, works for egg whites equals you can color macarons. A little goes a long way. Number 4. Chefmaster Liqua-Gel Food Coloring 8-pack. Introducing the Chefmaster Liqua-Gel Food Coloring. This kit easily adds vibrant color to your creations. It won't alter the taste or texture of your final product. A little of this liquid gel food coloring goes a long way. It's highly pigmented, so you can achieve the exact shade you desire. A color guide is included to help you create even more colors. This high-quality gel food coloring delivers fade-resistant, professional-grade color. You can expect vivid hues every time you use it. It's perfect for any baking or decorating project. The AmeriColor's Liqua-Gel Food Coloring Kit is made with food-safe ingredients. They are all GRA, which means they are generally recognized as safe. You can use it with confidence. We are so confident that you'll love this product that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll make it right. Try it today. What we like. This food coloring is designed to deliver vibrant, long-lasting colors. The easy-to-blend formula ensures you get the exact shade you want, and a little goes a long way. If you're looking for colors that won't fade and are easy to work with, this is a great choice. What people say. Their consistency, somewhere between liquid and gel, makes dosing drops quite easy and repeatable. I used it in my rainbow cakes, and not much is needed. The colors are very dense and I had to use very little to get the desired tones. Number 3. Gel Food Coloring, 12 Colors Food Gel. This gel food coloring set offers 12 unique, highly concentrated colors. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals who enjoy creating vibrant desserts. It makes your cake decorating more fun. Made from safe ingredients, this food coloring won't alter the taste or texture of your recipes. It's also non-dairy, non-peanut, and non-gluten, making it safe for vegetarians. Use it for cake decoration, macarons, icings, fondant, and more. It's also great for Easter eggs, slime, soaps, and drinks. The possibilities are endless with it. The drop mouth design allows for easy control of the drops. You can easily mix different colors to create new shades. The bottles are also convenient for storage and reuse. If you have any questions or issues with the product, please contact us. We will respond within 24 hours and do our best to assist you. We are always here to help you. What we like. This food coloring set offers a wide range of vibrant colors that won't alter the taste or texture of your recipes. The unique drop mouth design makes it easy to control the amount of color you use. If you are a beginner or professional who enjoys DIY desserts, you should consider this one. What people say. The colors are more liquid than gel, but provide good, vibrant color. Easy to combine colors to get exactly the colors you want. The oil-based food coloring for chocolate, 20 colors, is absolutely fantastic. The colors are vibrant and perfect for adding a pop of color to chocolate, candy, and other treats. I love that it's oil-based, which makes it blend beautifully into the chocolate without causing it to seize or get clumpy. These are amazing. Very inexpensive and great quality. Number 2. AmeriColor Bright White Food Coloring Gel. This food coloring gel provides a bright, brilliant white. It's perfect for creating flawless wedding cakes, frosting, or cookie icing. It will make your dessert stand out. When mixed with other colors, it creates beautiful, soft pastels. This allows you to expand your color palette and achieve a wide range of shades. It's a versatile addition to your baking supplies. It's ideal for high-contrast lettering, florals, and detailed designs. Use it as an opaque white base layer for vibrant subsequent color layers. This makes your decorations pop. This premium gel food coloring is easy to control, drop by drop. It's much easier to use than low-quality liquid dyes. You can blend the perfect shade with less mess and more precision. It's allergen-free, containing no peanuts, tree nuts, gluten, eggs, dairy, soy, fish, or shellfish. It's also non-GMO and vegan. This makes it a safe choice for everyone. Manufactured with pride in the USA. It's made to the highest food safety standards at AmeriColor's production facility in Rutland, Vermont. You can trust its quality. What we like. This food coloring provides a bright white base for your creations, perfect for achieving vibrant colors. It's also allergen-free, making it a safe choice for everyone. If you have dietary restrictions or want to create stunning, high-contrast designs, you should consider this one. What people say. This stuff does the trick. The more you use, the whiter it gets. I use this white food coloring with a little bit of purple to give my buttercream that bright white color, and it does a great job. This white food coloring is exactly as advertised, and works well. Number 1. AmeriColor Student Kit, 12 Soft Gel Paste Colors. This kit offers superior coloring strength compared to other food colors. It's designed to provide vibrant and consistent results for all your baking needs. Unlike some food colorings, this one won't separate or weep, even in frozen goods. This ensures your creations maintain their texture and appearance. It's perfect for use in delicate non-dairy whipped icings and toppings. The colors won't break down, maintaining the integrity of your frostings. You'll achieve a consistent color batch after batch. This makes it easy to replicate your favorite recipes with confidence. These soft gel paste colors are easy to use and provide excellent color payoff. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced bakers. What we like. This food coloring offers superior coloring strength and is ideal for delicate icings and frozen goods. It won't break down or separate, ensuring consistent results every time. If you are looking for a food coloring that works well with non-dairy whipped icings and toppings, you should consider this one. What people say. One of the best coloring I have used for icing, bright colors, mixed easily, etc. AmeriColor makes the most rich, vivid colors for baking, especially the challenge of getting a good red. It is so bright and pigmented, and a little goes a long way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.